which is this piece right here. This is 50%. That's 50%. This little part over here is half of that one, isn't it? So if it's 50% on the top here, what do you think this one is? 25. Let's write 25%. All right, you see the enchilada to the right? This enchilada right here? I want you to make it look like that enchilada. Break it down so that I see 225%. And I want you to write 50% where it goes, 25% where it goes. So wherever you need to write the numbers 50 and 25. And then I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. You're going to show me. Divide the enchilada. You have enchilada divided. 1, wherever I am, that's where you're pointing to it. 1, 2, 3. Show me. Yes, 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 yes. And you got it right, but you didn't do what I asked you to do. You wrote 50% and 50%. That's true. But what did I say you needed to do first on this enchilada? I said make it look like this one, so you should have done this. Divide it in half like everybody else did. And what's the name of this one? What percentage? 15%. And what's the little one? 25. All right, so now listen carefully. Take your marker and cross out on this enchilada what 75% is. Not 50%, not 25%, 75%. Cross it out. I don't want you to write the number 75. You're crossing it out. You're crossing 75% of the enchilada. That's right. One person got it right already. Show me if you have it.
So people ate 25% of it.
And next time you can raise your hand and I'm going to acknowledge you. So I raise your hand and I acknowledge you. All right, so I see some people get it right, some people get it wrong. I said cross out or shade in. I'm going to show you what I should have done. What is this? 50%, crossing out. And now I'm going to, the teacher says 75%. How do I get 75% if I only have 50% and 25%? How do I get 75%? Yes. Which ones? Which ones? The 50 and the 7. So you need to shade this one also, because if I shade 50 and 25, together they make 75. I want you to shade in 100%. Shade 100% now. 100%. And I want to see you. Now, by the way, when I say shade, did I shade every little square? No, I just put a few lines. Okay? You don't have to waste markers. Show me 100%. 100%. For example, he did this. He shaded the whole enchilada. That's what 100% means. A whole enchilada. I want 100% of you to stand up right now. I want 50% of you to sit down. Don't do it. How do I do that? How do I get 50% of you to sit down? Tell me. So half of the room. Should I divide this in half and that would be half here, half here?
No.
How do I know that I have 2 equal halves? Yes? You can put it like this. But what if for that party has 10 people and this one has 30 people? Yes? You count. So one way to do counting is 50% means half. Out of every 2 people, half. You sit down, you stay. You sit down, you stay. Right now I give half of them and half of them. Half of these 2, you sit down, you stay. Half of you sit down, you stay. And I keep doing this because 50% means out of every 2, you do half. Another way to do it, I say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All the 1s over there, all the 2s over there. I broke you into 2 equal groups. Everybody sit down?